Hello friends, welcome to this video tutorial by Perfect Web Solutions. My name is Imran Qasim, and today in this video tutorial we are going to see that how can we use a WordPress hook to make changes in WP admin bar. I mean the WordPress admin bar, which is shown on the top here, which you can see it shows a logo, then your title of the website, and then further it shows menu here, it shows customize, and then new and memberships, and this menu, logout menu. So in this video tutorial we are going to see that how can we add a new menu on the WordPress admin bar, and how can we manipulate any existing, like if we want to remove this logo or this one or this one or this one, we can do easily by just finding the correct ID. So in this video tutorial I'm going to use a hook called admin bar menu. In my another video tutorial, I used another hook called before WP before rendered menu bar. It means that before it rendered the menu bar, it will make those changes. But for that, that will also work. You can watch my that tutorial. But this in this tutorial, I'm going to use another hook called admin bar menu that is more relevant to what its purpose is. So let's get started. First of all, open your favorite text editor. Mine is Sublime Text, and in this text editor, I have already loaded my 2017 child theme folder, which I'm mostly using in these tutorials on WordPress and WooCommerce for advanced and intermediate users. So in this 2017 child themes functions.php file, I will add an action that will be admin bar menu, and then I will create my own function WP manipulate admin bar, and then I will set its priority to the highest level. Why I'm using this, that after it open the menu bar, it still execute the function which I create here, or it will manipulate any other existing function which I will operate here, or which will I write here. So basically this function will accept a parameter, the single parameter. I haven't put comma 1 here because by default it accepts one parameter. If it have more than one parameter in any action hook, then I will use it here like 2, 3, 4, whatever I want. So currently it only accepts one parameter, so I don't need to put here. I just simply do this function, and inside this function I will admin menu bar variable. You can name it whatever you like. I just put it admin menu bar, or that whatever WP menu bar, or top menu bar, whatever you can give it. So now that this admin bar menu, all the objects of this admin menu bar are passed inside this admin menu bar variable, an array or an object, so we can access it from here. And there are a few functions provided along with this admin menu bar. The first function is add node. The second function is remove node. The third function is get node. The fourth function is get nodes. So these are the four functions used in the admin menu bar: to add a node, to remove a node, to get a node, or to get the list of nodes. So this add node accept arguments, and you know that if you have done any customization or created any theme or plugin, you know these arguments are most often is plural. It most of the time is an array of values which will be passed here. The rest is single ID and single ID. When you need to remove a node, you just need to provide its ID, and when you need to get a node, you need to provide an ID. For to get all the nodes, you don't need to provide any ID. It will get all the admin bar nodes from the top and will display, and you can manipulate them as you want. So first let's see how can we add a node, then we will see how can we remove a node, then we will see how we can get a node, and then we will see how to get nodes. In the add node feature, we also see that how can we create a child node of any existing node, or this newly created node. I will also add a child node. So let's use add node feature and remove or comment out all these three. Comment out, and then, and as an argument, first I need to do this admin menu bar. I need to replace it with this, and now it will add it. And here I will use argument is equal to an array of arguments. And the first argument of this array is ID, the ID we need to give. and this ID will automatically prepend the word WP admin bar. So if suppose I give custom menu, it will, the WordPress automatically will do it WP admin bar dash custom menu. This, it will be added automatically, this portion. So why I'm saying this here, that when we will manipulate those existing menu bars, we will use the ID without this WP admin bar. So I will show you, just stay with me. ID is a custom menu, and the title must be any title you want to give. For example, I want to give it customer menu, customer menu, and here I will do its href. I will link it to any menu inside this, like http localhost / boost store / options.php. Suppose I will exec wp admin, I think it's in the wp admin / options.php, and then it accepts some meta information as well, meta, which is also further an array. So this array must be like, you can give a class to this particular custom menu. So custom menu will be its class, or you can give a title which will display when you custom menu created, or you can give it an alt tag, whatever you would like to give here, attributes you can give them here. So now that we have used add node, we have added the arguments. So let's reload the page, and you will see this menu, customer menu, is added here. And if you hover over mouse, you will see the title is shown, and also in the bottom left side you will see it linked to options.php, and if I click it, it will take me to the option.php file as well. So this is how you can create a node on the WordPress admin bar. So further, if you want to make the child of this, or if you want to make it child to any existing, suppose I want this customer menu under this menu, suppose, or let me first add another custom menu under this. So for this I just need to add all these arguments, paste it here, and custom menu 1, I just name it customer menu 1, and just change this link to something else like themes.php, just for the sake of argument. And then here we will add another extra element called parent, and in the parent we will provide the ID of the parent where we would like to add it. So suppose this one is our parent menu, I just copy this, paste it here, and rest you can keep it same, no need to change any. The most important thing is the ID, the title, href, and parent. These are the important. So just I will reload the page, or I will just go to visit the site, and now you will see if I hover mouse and I hover it, it will create that menu drop down just like this one. It created here, it's linked to themes.php. If I click it here, it take me to the themes.php. So this is how you can add menu and sub menu. So this, I hope you understand this, how to add the node. So let me remove this, and now we will see how can we remove a node. Yeah, that is another thing. So I will just comment it out, uncomment it, and here I will use admin bar menu, this one, admin menu bar, sorry, admin menu bar, and remove node. So how to get the ID? It's very easy. You just need to open your website, and when you see this menu, just let me reload it so the customer menu will go away. Now that what I want to do is I want to use remove node. Suppose I want to remove this logo here, WordPress logo, or if I want to manipulate it, or if I want to change it. So what I will do, I will right click on it, go to inspect element, and it will show me its li here. You see, I have told you in start that it automatically add WP admin bar dash. So this is not our concern. Our concern is the next part from here to here. These are the IDs of all the menus added here. Like this is admin bar paid membership pro ID. So I will use this one, copy from here, After copying it here, I just simply add it here, and you will see what will happen. This icon will be removed. You see, this icon has been removed, WordPress icon. Or further, you can remove any node by getting its ID. Like if I don't want to see this comments section here, so I see this is a WP Admin Bar comments, so I can replace it with comments. Now that logo will came, WordPress logo, but this menu will be removed. You see, this is how we can use WP with this admin bar menu hook to manipulate our admin bar menu. So I'm sure you understand what does this remove node do. So now let's see what get node feature will do. Same thing we will do here, WP logo, get node WP logo, and add this variable must be admin menu bar. So I will simply do print r here, admin menu bar, and I reload this. Sorry, I think I forgot to put it. I put an exit here so that I can see the WP admin. Yeah, here it is. It is shown here, all the information. Admin bar. Oh, sorry, I forgot to assign it to node here, so that it only display this node. Currently it's displaying all the menu. So here we will see that it have an ID of WP logo. Title, it does not have any title. Parent, it is not belong to any parent, it does not have any parent. H reference, it's linked to, and then group, and then meta, there is no meta information added. So what we can do after getting the node, we can do that node is property. Like if I want to change this link to, rather than about.php, it goes to options.php. So href is equal to http localhost /vstore /wp-admin /options.php. As you can see, I'm using hard-coded link. You can use functions here like get blog info, get blog info, its name or its URL or home URL. So it will get the host over, and then you can concatenate this portion here. But just for the easy purpose, I'm adding a direct link. And after that, it's updated. If we can confirm node, and you will see that this href is updated. So you see, now it's go to options.php. So now how can I add it? Simply what I need to do is admin menu bar add node, that this variable node must be added. So now that if I reload the page, move the exit function, and now where I did that is WP logo, and if I mouse over, click on it, it will take me to the options rather than about.php. Like before it was about.php. Now it's take me to the about.php, but if I change it to options.php, it will take me to the options.php. Right? So if you want to add a title here as well, you can just use like title and then WordPress and reload, and you see that icon is gone. Now it shows WordPress. Not only that, you can add an image tag here, imgsrc. You can add your own logo here as well with these properties. Like I'm using this most of the time, loadandpixel.com slash 28 slash 28 slash food or sports, whatever category I want to display, nightlife, and you will see that no, this will here shows an image. Let it to be loaded. You can use a local, and now you see we have here a logo. You can use any logo of like if you upload a logo here with media, add new library, or if you have any existing logo you want to use here, suppose this one I want to use this, so I just copy its link and paste it here. Alright, I'm sure you understand what I'm doing here. And now, and this logo is here, but it's too big, so you can set the width and height here. Width is equal to 28, so 28, and you can further change its styling. Like if I want to add mode, if I want to add a class here, you can add a class custom and img, and if I reload it and right click on it, inspect element, and here custom image, and I can add it here, width 20 pixel, height 20 pixel, margin 0, padding 0, okay, 20 pixel, and I am not sure why it's not, or you can, it's currently it's 200 by 150 pixel. You can reduce its size here with 100 pixel, img, custom img, or yeah, you can use a small, like if you go to, let me remove it for the time being. I'm sure there's something missing from here, so I will do WordPress here, reload it, and then I need to edit this icon and resize it. This is for the flip purpose, and I will resize it 20 by 15 scale, and after that it's here, and 32, if I do 32 by, now this one is here, and then I will copy it and paste as a source here. So this is how you do. So this one is new image, not the old one. It creates new duplicate, and now you have that logo. You see. Rather than using CSS to manipulate it, I don't know why it's not working. You can resize it like any image. Like this image, suppose it's already 64 by 64. So let me remove it, make it 32, 32. Scale. Here it is. And now I will use this one here and reload the page, and now you will see this icon here. So this is how you can manipulate WordPress admin bar to do different things. I have shown you that get node, and then get nodes is left. Let me remove all this. What get nodes will do, it will almost do the same like what admin menu bar do. It get all the nodes from that WordPress admin bar, and you can manipulate them using a loop. So I will assign it to nodes, and I will here use for each nodes as node, and then I will echo node title dot br just for the, and here I will do exit just to show you that it will show me all the titles of the menu address, you see. And suppose also we can do href everywhere, and it will display all the links here. So this is the purpose of get node. It will do all the functionality like id. If I want to get the id of all the nodes, it have given me all the ids which I can use. So friends, I'm sure you like this tutorial and understand how this hook works admin bar menu and will be happy to use this hook in your plugins or themes to create easy accessible WordPress menu bar on the top. The most advantage, or I must say, there is the big advantage of this menu adding on the WordPress menu bar is that it is accessible via front end as well. So if you are developing some kind of plugin and you want to give user an easy access, you can add it here. Like just see this what the file plugin I'm using most of the time, which help me to understand that the current page, what template is used by the current page. I use this plugin. Maybe there is another better plugin, but for the time being, for me, this is the best plugin to find the template name of the current page, although sometimes it doesn't work properly as it intended to do, especially when you're viewing the cart page. It just simply told you that the cart page is using page.php. You see, it's using page.php, but actually it have a shortcode on the page.php file which is responsible for displaying this cart page. And in this video tutorial I'm doing the both advanced editing for WordPress and WooCommerce as well. So this is a WordPress tutorial. I'm sure the next tutorial will be of this WooCommerce, and that I think I'm planning to make it work. Like how can we add an extra fee option here before the shipping process or before you proceed to checkout? You can add an additional fee on particular product or any group of product or any number of products. Like if you have more than 5 products or if you have less than 5 products, you add a shipping fee, additional extra fee. If you have more than 5 products, you don't need to add a fee. You will cover it within the price you got from your client. But if the content or if the items in the cart are total, like currently there are 10 and 11 items, so there is no need to pay extra fee. But if they are only 5 or less than 5, you can put an extra fee here for shipping handling. So friends, thank you very much for watching this tutorial till the end. If you like it, please press the like button and do subscribe to my channel as well. Take care. Bye for now.